Introducing the UltraFix Cleaner, the all-in-one solution for keeping your UltraFix Pro gun and surfaces clean. Start by attaching the nozzle to the UltraFix Cleaner. Then, spray the cleaner over the tip of the UltraFix gun to loosen any remaining adhesive. Use a cloth to thoroughly clean the tip of the gun. Next, detach the gun from the UltraFix Pro canister and mount the cleaner onto the gun. Squeeze the trigger to spray the cleaner through the gun until no adhesive is left, ensuring a complete clean. Once the gun is clear, wipe it down with a cloth for a final clean. Finally, remove the cleaner from the gun and finish with one last spray to leave it spotless. Cleaning your UltraFix guns is only necessary when removing an UltraFix Pro can for the gun and not reapplying a new UltraFix Pro can. The UltraFix Cleaner isn't just for your tools. It can also remove adhesive from artificial grass and your skin. If you accidentally get adhesive on your skin, spray a small amount of UltraFix Cleaner onto the area, then gently wipe it away with a cloth. The cleaner effectively breaks down the adhesive without causing any harm. For artificial grass, simply spray the cleaner directly onto the areas with UltraFix Pro adhesive. Use a cloth to rub the spot and watch as the adhesive comes right off, leaving your grass clean and residue-free. UltraFix Cleaner for spotless tools, surfaces, and hands. Your complete adhesive cleaning solution.